The Ametek Power 10 p66c-6033ab is a customized version of the high current output p66 series of power supply from Power 10. These rack mount power supplies are used in a variety of places, with this custom version being used in an ion implant system used in the semiconductor industry. This Power 10 power supply has a variable output of 0 to 60 volts of direct current, with a current range of up to 330 amps, making this model a 20 kilowatt size power supply. ERD has repaired a variety of these large current power supplies by many OEMs, and as you can see in the video, we are able to load these power supplies safely at several hundred amps. At ERD, we specialize in being able to repair the parts of semiconductor tools without needing the actual tool for the final test. We have over 20 years experience with the NSK line of motor controls, and add new products as they become available on the market. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.